Are you a new user of our tax preparation software or considering signing up but uncertain if it meets your needs? Perhaps you've begun using it but still feel somewhat lost. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the features of our software, making sure you understand not just what each feature does, but also how it can benefit you and your tax business. This tutorial is designed to be straightforward and easy to follow. So even if you've been using our software for a while, you're likely to discover something new. We'll start with the basics, covering the core features that make our software so powerful for tax professionals. From managing client information to streamlining your tax preparation process, this tutorial will guide you through each step. Our goal is to help you feel confident in using our software to its full potential, whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your current workflow. Let's get started, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to leverage our software to meet your business needs with the tools at your fingertips. The navigation bar on the left is your quick access panel to vital features. Let's start with the dashboard. It's your go-to spot for all the important numbers you need at a glance. From here, you can easily access prior year returns, switch between individual or business returns, and manage your back-end settings without any hassle. What makes the dashboard so powerful is its ability to give you a clear snapshot of your activity. You'll see summarized totals like the number of returns entered, those ready to e-file, checks to print if you're using bank products, your daily appointments, and completed returns that still need invoicing. Plus, you can keep track of return statuses like those rejected by the IRS or state and monitor key business metrics. It's all designed to help you stay organized and in control effortlessly. The Client section lets you manage your entire client base with ease. Whether you're adding new clients or accessing existing ones, this section keeps everything organized, ensuring a smooth workflow. The e-file manager is where you track the status of your returns and resolve any issues quickly. This tool ensures compliance and efficiency, streamlining the filing process. Our scheduler keeps your appointments in check, allowing you to manage client meetings without the stress of overbooking or missed appointments. In the Letters section, you'll find customizable templates for communicating with clients, making it simple to send important updates and information. Reports provide you with detailed insights into your operations, helping you make informed decisions based on real-time data. The Pricing tool is where you can set and adjust service fees, ensuring your pricing structure aligns with your business. Finally, the Tools section offers additional resources to enhance your workflow. From importing a prior year client to creating a quick estimate, it's designed to make tax preparation more efficient. Next up is adding a client. After clicking Client, you have two options: filter through existing clients or start fresh with a new return. Whether it's a basic 1040 or a more complex return, the process is simple. Depending on your preference, you can work in direct input mode, ideal for seasoned preparers, or interview input mode, which is great for those newer to tax preparation. Let's take a closer look at the top navigation bar when you're inside a return, designed to make your work both efficient and precise. Verify. Double-check every entry to ensure accuracy before moving forward. It's your first line of defense against errors. Complete. Finalize the return confidently, knowing all necessary information is filled in. Override. An overview of all customized entries entered when unique situations arise, and you choose not to use the auto-calculated values. WorkPad. View all itemized entries that were made in a manual entry field without leaving the return, keeping your workflow smooth. View Print. Review the entire return in real time, email it, or print it out for in-person client meetings. Notes. Add important reminders or explanations that stay with the return for future reference. Assets. Quickly view client assets, ensuring all relevant information is included. DM Docs. Upload digital documents directly within the return for seamless integration. Year-over-year comparison. Instantly compare returns to identify trends or discrepancies, offering clients valuable insights. Married filing joint versus separate. Easily toggle between these options to determine the best filing status for your clients. Attachments. Upload essential documents directly to the return, ensuring everything is in one place. Calculator. Perform quick calculations without leaving the page, saving you time. Signature. Securely capture electronic signatures, making the process quick and compliant. Now we can review the rest of the client direct input screen, designed with simplicity and efficiency in mind to help you get the job done with ease. The center panel is where all client information and tax form data are entered. This is your primary workspace. Towards the upper left, you'll find the federal and state tabs, your quick toggle between federal and state forms. This makes it easy to see exactly what you're working on and switch between forms as needed. Directly below the federal and state tabs, the form search function lets you find any form by name or number, cutting down on time spent searching through the long list of forms and keeping your process efficient. You can also filter the list to show only the forms you've used or view all available forms for the return, giving you control over your workspace. At the bottom left, the Federal Tax Summary section provides a clear, real-time breakdown of the return's key financial figures. This includes total income, adjustments, deductions, qualified business income deduction, taxable income, tax credits, total tax, total payments. These figures dynamically update as you enter data, ensuring that the refund amount or amount owed is always accurate and current. Moving on to the top right of your screen, you'll find a powerful tool, an IRS website search feature. This allows you to quickly look up any tax-related topics directly from the IRS site without leaving your workspace, keeping you informed and efficient. Just below the IRS website search, you'll see the Useful Links section. This area is tailored to provide relevant information based on the specific form you're working on, helping you stay on track and find answers to form-specific questions right when you need them. The bottom right section houses a dynamic list of form links that generate as you save and complete each form. These links allow you to view the IRS version of the forms, populated with your client's information. This feature ensures that you have an accurate representation of what your client will submit, offering peace of mind and confidence in your work. Welcome to the Manage Return screen. Whether you've just finished a new return or accessed a client from the Client Management section, this is your go-to area for managing and finalizing your work. Let's dive into the navigation bar and explore its features. The Edit option lets you modify any details within the return. Whether it's updating client information or correcting entries, this tool ensures you can easily jump back into the return and make changes as needed. View Print is also located here for your convenience. Again, it allows you to review the entire return in real time, email it, or print it out for in-person client meetings. View Input allows you to see the data you've entered in a clear, organized format. This helps you verify accuracy and ensures all information is correctly recorded. If you need to remove a return or any specific entries, the Delete option provides a straightforward way to clear the information, maintaining the integrity of your data. Password protection ensures that sensitive client data is secure. This feature adds an extra layer of security to keep your returns and client information safe from unauthorized access. We've covered these already, but you can easily gain access to the following tools in the Return Manage screen for each client. For convenience purposes: appointments, letters, notes, signature, and DM docs. The text feature allows you to communicate directly with clients via text messages. This provides a convenient way to exchange information and keep clients informed throughout the preparation process. Below the navigation bar, you'll find 4 categories. Personal info. The personal info section gives you an at-a-glance view of the client's personal details. Client info. Access broader client information and manage their overall profile. Income summary. Quickly review income details and summary of the return. Other. Get a snapshot of the return status, incomplete or completed. Easily prepare prior year returns by auto-populating client information, which simplifies data entry and streamlines the return process. Under the 4 categories, you'll find additional sections for federal, federal extension, and state. Here's what each section provides. Federal. Review details of the federal return, including the amount owed to the IRS or the refund amount expected to be disbursed. You can also view the status of the return transmitted. State. Examine the state return details, including the amount owed to the state or the refund amount due. You can also view to see the status of the state return if transmitted. Federal extension. Track and manage any federal extension requests and their statuses. Additionally, you'll find a link to the IRS Where's My Refund webpage, allowing you to quickly check the status of your client's e-filed returns. For state returns, a direct link is provided for easy updates or edits. Lastly, at the bottom of the Manage Return screen, you'll find two crucial sections: Payment and e-file details. This section provides a comprehensive overview of payment statuses and allows you to e-file the return to the IRS. You'll add or create an invoice and link the return to a bank product if the client is using their refund to cover preparation fees before transmitting. Tracking system. The tracking system provides a detailed history of the return, including creation dates, preparers who accessed the return, and data entry milestones leading up to IRS transmission. All right, tax pros, thanks for watching, and be on the lookout for more in-depth videos coming soon.